So guys, in this video, we are going to talk about how you can start your business from scratch with your smartphone in Ghana here. So if you're someone who is having just your smartphone and you want to start business in Ghana here online, this particular video is going to help you. So let's get started. If you want to start making money online with your smartphone or start an online business with your smartphone, first of all, you need a skill that can help you to market your product or to help you to design a simple graphic, or a skill that can help you sell your products out there. So these are skills that you must know. You don't have to know all these skills, but at least one or two of them, you should be able to know some of this skill. Like, for instance, my smartphone. How can I use it to take a clear picture and share it out there on social media and people will reach out to me? Okay, I have a smartphone. How can I actually run adverts on social media like Facebook and get people to come and buy stuff from other people's shop? You need a skill that can help you to start making money on the internet. Now, what type of skills do you need, guys? There are a lot of skills out there. There are some skills that are valued to be very hard to learn and all that. But the fact is, even though they are hard to learn and all that, or they are difficult to learn and all that, they end up in the long run, they will not give you any money. There are a lot of skills out there that at the end of the day, they don't give you any money in the long run. You just work 24/7. And even they are creating technologies to come and replace some of these skills. So you have to check some of the skills that you can learn and start making some extra money for yourself. Now, there are like simple skills like video editing, graphic designing, writing, and there are a lot of them that you can learn out there. Now, the good news is that as you are learning these skills, you can even video yourself whilst learning these skills. And anytime people are sometimes curious just to see how you do things or just to watch something on the internet. So maybe someone can just be seeing how you are learning on the internet, and that person can just start following you. If you are able to build audience like that up to some numbers, the social media platform that you are building or you are sending these videos or sharing these pictures and videos to, if you reach some following, you can monetize these people and start making some money from there. So that's one thing you must know. So getting a skill is very, very important, especially video editing, graphic designing, writing, and even talking. If you can talk well, you can start making money from talking. And the second thing you need to do is to use your skill. Like, put your skill into practice. If it is digital marketing, put that digital marketing into practice. If it is sales, put that sales into practice. Video editing, put that video editing into practice. Let's say it's an offline skill. Okay, now we are talking about online, but let's say it's an offline skill. Maybe you know how to make paint, right? You can put that lessons or the skill you had into practice. Now that you've had it into practice, you have the opportunity to do a lot of things on it with your smartphone and share it on social media. Because after you use your skill, you can now share to people how you were able to use your skill to do something and the results you've gotten, whether bad or good. You can still post it on social media and people would like to see the result you've gotten from that particular skill. Now, after you've gotten some number of followers and all that, again, you can monetize your skill out there. Now, not just about social media, we can also create a course about the skill that you've learned or how you've started something and then end it well. For instance, you manufactured a paint from 0 to Z. Now you can create a course about how you manufacture it and people are willing to learn. Anytime people come to buy your course, you'll be making some money from there as well. So this is how you can be making some money with your internet. And you don't have to use expensive stuff to actually do these courses. You can use your smartphone to do every recording, from audio to video to whatever it is. You can put all these things together with your smartphone and post it out there, and people will be there to watch you and learn from you as well. So guys, if you're a beginner in making money online, or you want to take advantage of your smartphone to start making some money for yourself, these are some basic things you must know. If you get the skill, you use the skill and share your experience on social media, and you start making some money from there. Build a course about it, or you can also write a book about it if you want. So guys, this is how a lot of people are making money on the internet. Let me give you a typical example. If you check crypto traders forex traders, most business gurus in the finance space, that's what we mostly do. You do something, you put the result out there for someone to also follow how you did it and learn from you as well. And this is going to give you passive income, because as long as people want to make money and they want to learn something, definitely someone will come to your video and watch it and learn something from there. So guys, basically, if you want to make money on the internet, this is one route that you can pass. And on YouTube, for instance, you can do a video once and get paid over and over again. On Amazon, for instance, you can write a book one time and the book will be selling over and over again. You can build a course one time and it will keep, giving you passive income 24/7. So guys, that's how you can make some money on the internet. I believe this video has helped you. You can do more research about how you can make money online, or subscribe to the YouTube channel so that these videos on my channel can help you as time goes on. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye for now.